Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Donam and I use Donam Tea as my channel name. We share love and positive vibes. Kindly subscribe. I share about life experience, cooking videos and random videos. So today's video I'm going to show you another unique way that I tried out on making chapatis, and all you have to do is boil the spinach and then add in tomatoes, add in onions and carrots, and then just use that to make the dough. Like, instead of using water and salt and what, just use the blended spinach with tomatoes and carrots to make the dough, and that's the only difference. So the rest remains the same. So as you can see, after making the dough, you roll it and then you start frying. The results are the same and the taste is kind of very unique. Okay, this one is out of this world. Yeah, you should try it out. You should try it out. Yeah, I decided to share, though I did not record each step, but if you are watching and you know how to make chapatis, yeah, the only difference is the spinach. So bye bye, thank you guys. Kindly subscribe, don't forget to like, share and comment. Bye bye, see you in my next video. You can let me know if you want a procedure, step by step recipe. I'll make it. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.